Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. I am the creator of Build Like a Boss Academy, and I show people how to basically build a business on social media, specifically Facebook, right, without paid ads. How do you turn your profile into a lead generation machine and make that profitable for you? And that's what I show people how to do. Find more information about that beneath this video. But in this video today, I'm going to talk about why I made a decision in my business that I'm actually happy about to join �MyLeadSystem Pro. We're going to talk about that whole what led up to that decision and why I think that it's a great solution for anyone who is a network marketer, multi-level marketer, or affiliate marketer. So for years, I have seen �MyLeadSystem Pro out there in the, as a training platform. And I said, oh no, I don't need that, right? Because, I am not, for full transparency, I'm not a beginner. I have some time in. So I was like, I don't need that, right? I was like, oh, in my mind, like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm good, right? And I started to see a lot of top leaders go over to �MyLeadSystem Pro now, like a new class of leaders going over to �MyLeadSystem Pro. And I said, what is going on over there? What are they doing that like top leaders are going over there? I gotta see what's going on. So out of curiosity, I signed up for his trial. And once I got plugged in, I said, oh my God. And I'm gonna go over in this video really what the understanding was. And it made sense for me, especially at this phase in my business, because I'm a coach. And when I get into a program like this and I can see the big picture and I'm able to show other people the big picture, that is an aha moment for me. So let me just jump right into it. What I see online, and when I got into the system, I was like, oh yeah. I see a lot of beginners online buying course after course after course after course. And it's almost like you need a course for the course, and it's a cycle, right? They're buying little courses here, all these courses, trying to picture together a strategy, right? So they buy this course and they hope that it's a strategy, right? And then they get this course and then they hope it's a strategy, and they hope that each course will lead them closer to an actual freaking blueprint and strategy of what to do on social media to actually build leads, right? Leads to actually build know, like, and trust, to build authority, and to build sales, right? How do you do that? So when I got into this training platform, I actually was excited because I began to see that what �MyLeadSystem Pro does is teach one strategy, one platform. It has a built-in community, which is another reason why people fail online, because they don't have that community piece and they feel like they don't have any support at all, and they're trying to build a business by themselves, right? So, and then it follows one training method, okay? So let me explain what �MyLeadSystem Pro really teaches you. It teaches you how to leverage primarily Facebook, right, to do attraction marketing, and to learn how to become a lead generation machine by solving the problems of your target market. And the great thing about �MyLeadSystem Pro is it can help you in any business and any niche, right? There's realtors in �MyLeadSystem Pro, all types of things like that, right? But that's what it teaches you how to do. So if you're a person and you're online and you're like, listen, that's what I need to learn how to do. I'm tired of three-way calls. I am tired of two get two. I am tired of making hundreds lists. I'm tired of hotel parties. I'm tired of, buying solo ads that don't convert, right? If you're in affiliate marketing, I'm tired of these strategies, and I'm looking for a course that's going to give me the whole picture, not the beginning of the picture, then they sell you the upsell of the middle of the picture, and then you got it right. No, if you're looking for a course that lays out for you, right, from beginning to end, what you need to do, then that's for you. All right, the second reason that, and this is a big one, that I said, okay, Shen, this is where humility and a lot of things come into place. When you want to elevate in your business, you have to ask yourself, how can I sit at the feet of top leaders in the industry? Say that one more time. When you want to elevate, you have to ask yourself, how can I strategically sit at the feet of top leaders in the industry? That's how I got myself off the struggle bus the first time, was sitting at the feet of my mentor, Tanisha, and having her lay out a blueprint for me on what exactly to do on social media, right? So now at this stage, I'm like, okay, I want to elevate. How can I sit at the feet of top leaders in the industry? The thing about it is that top leaders in the industry have graduated from My Lead System Pro. So if you want to become a top leader in the industry, then you need to be a graduate of the same program, the same training platform that the top leaders in the industry have graduated from. Who are we talking about here? We're talking about Ray Higdon. We're talking about Tanya Liza. We're talking about Lisa Torres, right? We're talking about Aaron Birch, right? We're talking about Rachel Stevens, right? These people graduated, Keisha Bass, right? These people graduated from My Lead System Pro. So me, I'm like, yeah, I want to position myself from the same training platforms that they're leveraging in their businesses to not only have learned from to be where they are, but to also create the duplication that, which we're going to talk about in a second, the duplication that these people have been able to create in their downlines, and having a platform that they're able to use across their multi-level market, network marketing, and affiliate marketing programs. So yeah, to me, that just was like, right? Number 3, okay? My Lead System Pro is a platform that is also built for coaches, multi-level marketing leaders, and network marketing leaders, right? So if you're one of those people, you happen to be one of those people, not only is it a platform that can help others, right? But it can help you as a leader. Okay, and that kind of goes into number 5, is that it's a system that can grow with you. So that said, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate person, or a seasoned person, I find as someone who's gone through the training, and still going through the training, right? I feel like it's complete and it's comprehensive, right? And the system grows with you. So if you're a beginner, there's foundational training in there. If you're intermediate, there's foundational training in there. And if you're seasoned, right, you're seasoned, right? There's training in there to help you elevate, right? Like, I was shocked to get in there and see additional training, not in addition to the Facebook training, to see trainings on growing a coaching business, right? See trainings on coaching, right? How do you actually do that, right? So those are some of the things that are in the system. Okay, duplication. So again, if you are a leader, right, or you want to grow into being a leader in your affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM business, one thing that you want to be able to do, and one thing that always helps you grow, is if you're able to have a system to plug. Like, one thing I learned from one of my top mentors was, she says, have a system, don't be the system. And I learned that early on. So like, when online, I would do these videos and I would talk about having a blueprint, and I would literally plug, and I still talk about that to this day, right? Plug my people into a blueprint, right? And therefore my team duplicated because they knew what to do, right? So when you have a system like this is like duplication at its best, because it takes the weight off of you as a coach. Your job as a coach, a leader, a MLM, a leader, network marketing leader, is to show the big picture or fill in the gaps. And the system does the heavy lifting of showing them the foundational things that they need to know in order to have success online, right? And that's what you want. Let the system do the foundational things and the heavy lifting of showing them the foundation. Okay. And then another reason why I joined My Lead System Pro, and why I think it's great for anyone, is this is a stream where you can get paid to plug in others who need help online. There's a lot of people in your own network marketing, affiliate marketing companies. You see them in your company groups. I need help, right? They're probably reaching out to you if you're an affiliate marketer leader, right? They're reaching out to you. They need help. What do you plug people into, especially if they're not on your team, right? When they say, I need help, my sponsor doesn't help me, XYZ 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 right? What do you plug people into? This is a system to plug people into and to actually get paid. But what I like about it is it's a way to build multiple streams without building multiple streams. What I mean by that is, I see a lot of people online, they're promoting competing streams, and therefore they feel all over the place. Their marketing message is not coherent. And it's just, it's, I don't know. But with My Lead System Pro, as you build your own business, right? You're not doing anything different. You're building your own business, and you're also in position to get paid great commissions when people do reach out, or people in your team need a training system, et cetera, et cetera. And you're learning yourself and you're growing. Okay, so that's, to me, that's the best thing, to get paid for plugging in others who need help, and you yourself are growing in your own business, in your own lead generation, and your own attraction. You're building authority. It's amazing. Oh, and I didn't even say the last thing that I really liked about it was the tools. Okay, so I really, really, really enjoy the tools. They have built-in lead generation campaigns. So, you know, for people who are like, oh my God, I want to get leads, but I don't want to sit there and like be building funnels all day. Or if you're a beginner, right, they have done for you already lead generation campaigns already set up. And I'm going to be coming later in the week and doing a video about it. But just in my short time of actually using some of their built-in lead generation campaigns, I've gotten tons of leads. I actually made 3 MLSP sales within, was it like 24, 48 hours, something like that. You know, just by using the lead generation campaigns. Okay, so that's it. And then I find that if you're a person and you want to get into a system, you know, here's the thing, a lot of here's the thing, you almost need to, I always say here's the thing, but whatever. With courses, you almost need a course on how I say, a course for the course. Well, you need a course to learn how to apply the course. And that's what My Lead System Pro does in the beginning. They have a jump, I don't know what it's called, like a fast start. That's what it's called. They have a fast start, and it's 10 steps laid out for you, where they walk you through exactly what you need to do to actually walk through using the system and to actually make the most out of the training platform. And I find that that's amazing, because a lot of times in training courses, I find, not only for myself, but especially beginners, when they come into training courses, they see information and they're overwhelmed immediately. And in their mind, they kind of checked out, right? And the fact that it guides you, says, listen, stay with us. This is what you do. This is how you move forward. Here's the 10 steps. I think that that is amazing with the My Lead System Pro. So I've given all my reasons. I'm done. Here's what I'd like for you to do. If you want to actually learn more about My Lead System Pro and how it can help you in your business, check out beneath the video. There'll be some information there. Message me if you're ready to get started, or you have some questions, etc., etc., etc. And smash the subscribe button. Also, make sure you get in my Built Like a Boss Academy. That's my free training group, where I give, you know, tips and tricks on lead generation on Facebook without paid ads for network marketers, affiliate marketers, and people in MLM businesses. All right. And if you're not in those, get in it too. You'll learn something for your business. All right. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.